Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, I'm spilling the tea on how I grow my nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, let's dive right in and get those nails looking fabulous. First up, we have the nail growth oil from olive and coconut. This amazing product is a complete game changer when it comes to growing your nails quickly. Just apply it once a day, and you'll see noticeable results in no time. Now, let's talk about an essential part of nail care: regular trimming. That's right, trimming your nails every 2 to 3 days helps promote faster growth by stimulating the matrix underneath your nail. Don't worry, this won't make your nails any shorter than they would be naturally. It's a great hack to keep them looking their best and growing stronger. Remember to always moisten your cuticles before trimming your nails. Doing so helps prevent any potential damage and keeps the skin around your nails healthy and soft. And there you have it, folks. Follow these tips and you too can grow your nails faster in just 3 days. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing beauty hacks. Until next time, take care of those gorgeous nails.